In this video, I am going to discuss how to find the maximum value in an array in C. For that, I have to first define an array of the size 5. I have taken the size number 5 int array. You can give any name to the array, and I have taken the size is 5, and now I am defining the element of that array. You can take any type of the array, or you can also take the input from the user. Now I am also going to declare a variable named max, which is going to hold the value of the maximum. In the main function, I am going to pass the first index value of the array to the max value. As in the starting, we considering that the 0 index is the highest value in an array. And now for checking it, I am going to initialize an for loop and int I, which is starting from the first. The reason is that we have now give the index 0 value to the max. Now we are going to take to the size 5, and every time we are going to increase the value of the I. In this, I am going to use if condition to check whether the max is small and equals to array I. If this condition is true, then it will going to change the max value to that index value which has that I is max value. So for that, I am going to pass max is equals to array I. If now in the end of the loop, when the loop is going to terminate, then we are going to print the value of max. Value of the max is %c, max. Now I'm going to run the program, and the answer is the 50. If we look for our array index, each index, in index 0, we have 10. In index 1, we have 25. In index 2, we have 50. In index 3, we have 20. And index 4, we have 45. The index 4 is 45, then the highest value of the max is 50. Index 2. That is going to be print. Thank you for this video.